who gets threatened gets worried, and some people actually get killed because they got threatened, and they can go to jail because they kill people and things and hurt people.
Unity Day means to me that anti-bullying is not good because people are killing themselves because they're scared of other people.
What Unity Day means to me is that we should stop bullying because it could affect other people and hurt their feelings.
What I think Unity Day means to me is that where people come together and they talk and they socialize and talk about stopping bullying.
What I think Unity Day means is that where you can stop bullying.
Hi, my name is Layla, and I think Unity Day means when people come together, care for each other, and take care of each other, and work together.
Hi, my name is Cheyenne, and Unity Day is special to me because we come together to stop people from bullying and to not make people sad.